Barry. Hi, kitties. Hi, kitties. Hi, everybody. Hi, Skinny. What are you doing, pretty girl? What are you doing, Barry? You're so jealous. Hi, pretty girl. What you doing, baby girl? Hi, Fuzzy. Oh, I hear the puppies. You hear the puppies, Barry? Hi, turkeys. And a chicken. Hi, Turks. Say hi. How we doing? Escaping? What you doing? What you doing? Oh, you escaped too. Oh, goodness. Hello. Hi, kids. Hello. Hi, puppies. Oh, my goodness. Here's Mom. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Leah, your puppies have big mouths. Hi, babies. Hi, puppies. How you doing? Hi, Red. I'm thinking of keeping the little red one and calling him Doug. I don't know. Leah, I think they're getting too big for that, don't you? Puppies. It's too crowded there. Poor Leah. Poor Leah. Leah, it's okay. I'm trying to feed them over here. They've started eating solid foods, but they're more interested right now in Mom, what she's got. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's eat. Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies. Come on. There you go. Good babies. Good babies. Yay. Leah, I'm trying. I'm trying. Hey, Red. Hi, Dougie. So, thought I would just show you the update on them. They're all growing. Barry doesn't know what to do. And the peacock is still over here. Let's see if we can find him here. He hides. Where are you, peacock? Oh, there he is up there on the fence. Let's see if I can zoom in on him. Hi, peacock. Can you see him? He just comes over here and visits. He was over in that peach tree, that blooming tree over there earlier. Now he's just here visiting. He sometimes will come in and eat with the other birds, but he's very much a loner, a stray. Barry, are they ganging up on you? Barry, you look so happy. What are you so happy about? You like all the puppies, don't you? Leah, you just can't. Oh, here they are. Hi, Leah. Okay. Hi, puppies. Hi, babies. Barry, you're so jealous. Hi, puppy. This puppy is like 5 weeks old and bigger than Barry already. It's certainly heavier. It's okay, Barry. It's okay. It's all right. The puppy just saying hello. Hi, puppy. Doug. Hi, Doug. And the others are just playing there with their mom, with the little goats. They just don't care. They all get along so well. And does that mean I'm keeping the puppies? No. Except maybe Doug. I don't know. I like Doug. He's the only one that's this color. The rest are black and white. And Barry likes him as much as Barry can like anything like Doug. How are you? Okay. Shall we go in? All right, let's go in.